Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam error code 118 quickly and easily so you can connect to servers and play your games without interruptions. This error usually happens when Steam cannot connect to the server, often due to network issues. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Restarting your router can often fix temporary connection problems. Next, disable any VPN or proxy, as Steam may block connections coming from masked locations. After that, temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus to see if they are preventing Steam from connecting. If it works, add Steam as an exception. Another step is to clear your browser and Steam cache. Open Steam Settings, go to Web Browser, and clear cache and cookies. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version, and if needed, restart your computer to refresh network settings. After following these steps, error 118 should be resolved, and Steam should connect normally to servers again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.